On June 11, 2025, the Enforcement Directorate conducted early morning raids targeting Congress leaders in Ballari and Bengaluru, Karnataka over the alleged Valmiki Corporation scam. The raids hit residences of Ballari MP E Tukaram in Sandur, Ballari City MLA Nara Bharath Reddy in Nehru Colony, Kamplika MLA J.N Ganesh in Kurugodu, Kudligica MLA N.T Srinivas in Narasimhagiri, former Minister B. Nagendra's Bengaluru office and his aide Govardhan Reddy's residence. The ED is probing the illegal transfer of around 90 crore rupees from a 187 crore pool of the Karnataka Maharshi Valmiki St Development Corporation meant for tribal welfare, allegedly used to bribe voters during the 2024 Lok Sabha elections in Ballari. The ED claims millions were distributed, including 200 rupees per voter to over 7 lakh voters and funds to Congress workers for polling booths. This scam surfaced after Accounts Superintendent Chandrasekharan P's suicide in May 2024, revealing transfers to fake accounts in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Former Minister B. Nagendra, arrested and later bailed, is named the mastermind, though he denies involvement, blaming Managing Director J.G. Padmanabha. Nagendra's aide Vijay Kumar Gowda admitted to distributing cash for election activities. Karnataka CM Siddaramaiah stated the government won't interfere with the ED's legal actions. The investigation continues as the ED examines documents to uncover the full extent of this money laundering scandal.
ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ ಇಡಿ ಅವರು ರೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮಾಡಲಿ ಕಾನೂನು ಪ್ರಕಾರವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನಮ್ಮದು ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾನೂನಿನ ಉಲ್ಲಂಘನೆ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾನೂನಿನ ಅನುಷ್ಠಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ಡಿ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಅಡ್ಡಿಪಡಿಸಲ್ಲ.